Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small container to keep your screws organized. Having these tools on hand will ensure a smooth experience. First, power off your MSI GE75 and unplug it from any power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure to discharge any static electricity by touching a metal surface before you proceed. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. There are typically around 10 screws that you'll need to remove. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each screw and place them in your small container. This will prevent any loss and make reassembly easier later. Remember to keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. Once all the screws are removed, gently pry the back panel off. It might require a little force, but be cautious not to damage the clips holding it in place. With the back panel removed, you should now see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to inspect for any dust accumulation. It's essential to clean your laptop periodically to ensure optimal performance. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any dust inside. Avoid using compressed air, as it can push dust further into components. If you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help ensure your laptop is in top shape without any hassle. Now, let's locate the warranty information. Usually, this is found on a sticker adhered to the back panel or near the battery area. Take a picture or note down the serial number and model number. This information is crucial when checking warranty status. Next, head over to the MSI website. You'll need to navigate to the support section to check your warranty status. Input your serial and model number in the required fields. This will provide you with the warranty status and any remaining coverage. If the warranty status indicates that your laptop is still covered, you might want to consider our quote before repair service. This way, you'll know the estimated cost of any repairs before proceeding, ensuring there are no unexpected expenses. In case you find that your warranty has expired or you prefer a hands-off approach, don't worry. We also offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This means you won't have to deal with the hassle of calls or traveling to a service center. Just schedule a pickup, and we'll take care of the rest. Finally, after checking your warranty status and cleaning your laptop, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pushing down until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws in their respective holes, tightening them securely but not overly so, to avoid damage. In summary, checking the warranty status of your MSI GE75 is a straightforward process that involves minimal tools and can be done at home. Just remember to take your time and follow the steps carefully. Should you need assistance, our professional services are just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.